what they're going through, my brothers and my sisters. We keep it like this, right? Shall I come forward there? Huh? Well, not so high. And it drops me cold, huh? We've been reading out these messages, my brothers and my sisters, so that you guys realize what people are going through. Haram relationships and where they ended up eventually. I'm going to read this out, inshallah ta'ala. I received it this afternoon. In fact, at 12 p.m. Here it is. When the title is 22-year-old male zina. Right? I don't know what you guys are asking. Wallahi, these are serious cases. Assalamu alaikum, Shaykh. Please, can you help me? I've done zina for almost a year now with many, many girls. I am completely broken, empty, and I don't want to live anymore. My family doesn't know what I've done, only my mother does. Everyone who looks at me says that I look lifeless. I've lost my appetite for food, lost the will to go on. I really need some advice, please help me. This is just one of so many messages and emails that I receive on a regular basis. Shall I read out the other two as well? Put your hand up if you heard it already. Only 10 people, خلاص.